Hi everyone, welcome to our new series on how formulas were derived. Now, in this series, we are going to learn about logic and reasons behind different formulas that we use. For example, in this particular video, we are going to learn how the area of a triangle is half times base times height, or we also say that product of product of base and height divided by 2. So we have base times height divided by 2. Now, I want you to ask this question, that have you ever wondered why this product gets divided by 2? I mean, why we are dividing the product of base and height by 2 and not by 3 or not by 4 or any other number? Why just by 2? So what I would suggest is that please pause this video for a while and then think about it and then play this video again. So I hope you did that. So I'm going to start with the proof now. So what I want you all to do is draw any triangle of your choice. So I'm going to draw a triangle. So let's say this is a given triangle to us and I'm going to name it as ABC. So A, B and C. And I'm going to take its base as BC. So let's take its base as BC. And so if the base is BC, so its height becomes the perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex. So this particular dotted line becomes the height. Let's say that this point is E. So that means the height is AE. So according to the formula of triangle, its area will be base times height. So base is BC and height is AE, and that divided by 2. Now from where does this 2 come from? Now to find that out, what I want you all to do is I want you all to do a little bit of construction over here. I want you to draw a line parallel to AB, this line segment AB. I want all of you to draw a line segment parallel to AB starting from the point C. So like this. And let's say that this point is D and DC is parallel to AB. And I also want you to connect these 2 points A and D. So this means then AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. So this means that this quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but a parallelogram. So ABCD, because in this quadrilateral we have 2 pairs of opposite and parallel lines. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, what is the area of a parallelogram? Area of this particular parallelogram. So if I take its base as BC, I mean base for the parallelogram ABCD, if I'm taking its base as BC, then its height is AE, and we know that area of a parallelogram is nothing but base times height. So, and its base is BC and height is AE. So this is the area of the parallelogram ABCD, right? Now, if you observe carefully our original triangle, our triangle ABC, this triangle is dividing this complete parallelogram into 2 equal parts. See, this triangle is exactly the half of this parallelogram ABCD. Okay, and this is the reason that area of triangle ABC now becomes half of the area of parallelogram. So area of triangle ABC becomes half of area of parallelogram ABCD. And we just found out that area of parallelogram is nothing but BC times AE. So half of that will be BC times AE divided by 2. Now this is how we get the area of a triangle as product of base and height divided by 2, because now you must have observed this, that any triangle, doesn't matter if the triangle is acute, obtuse or right. I just drew this triangle randomly. You can draw any triangle. Then any triangle can be a part of a parallelogram by doing a little construction. Okay, and then that triangle will be exactly half of the parallelogram that you just constructed. And this is the reason that area of a triangle is half of the area of a parallelogram. Okay, so we are good till now. Now the question arises that how the area of a parallelogram is base times height. You should have this question in your mind by now, that why the area of parallelogram is base times height. So this we will learn in the next video of our series. And I hope you found this video interesting and informative. So we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.